Hello and welcome to London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just fitted another Starline i96 Connect on this really lovely Ford Transit camper van 2019. So how the system works, as soon as I start the vehicle, just grab the keys quickly, start the vehicle, cuts out, which is immobilising the vehicle, and then shortly we should receive a phone call. So there you go. That's the call alert system of it, so let's just answer it. And we just end it, okay? So every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, insert their code, so 1212, receive our melody, and start the vehicle, okay? Obviously vehicle runs. If you want to change the code, this is also very simple. So we just wait for it to set, give it about 10 seconds. Main ignition on. Pass authorization by disarming it, so 1212. Receive our melody. So we passed authorization and hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cycle the ignition off and back on. We get 5 bleeps. And then we just go tap, 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 tap. Wait for the code to be learnt. It gives us a double bleep. There you go. And then repeat that code again. Wait for the same double bleep. And that'll confirm that the code has been learnt. There you go. Code is now learnt. Wait for it to set. Main ignition on. There you go, we didn't leave it long enough, so let's turn the ignition off, leave it for about 10 seconds. And then it should be set. So main ignition on, insert the code, tap, 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 tap. There you go, disarm melody, start the vehicle. So when you turn off the ignition, it will arm, okay? Also, if you want to place it in valet mode, you can place it in valet mode of one of 2 ways. We can use the Starline key app, or we can use the buttons. So basically, I'm just going to show you using the buttons. So main ignition on, system is armed. Tap, 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 tap. There you go, disarm. So then tap one of the buttons on the network 11 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Cycle the key off and then back on, and we get 2 bleeps. There you go, it's now in valet mode. When you get the vehicle back, main ignition on, insert your code, double bleep out of valet mode. Okay, if I let it set now, you'll see that the system will immobilise itself if I make an attempted start. So let's just wait for it to set. I think that should be set. Come on, ignition on, try and start it. Vehicle cuts out, as you know. And there you go, we're getting another call alert. Okay, so let's just answer it so it doesn't go to answer phone, and then kill the call. Okay, also finally, this has got the Starline key app, so let's just turn Bluetooth on. So if you see now, we've actually turned on Bluetooth. So all you really do is main ignition on, disarm melody, and start the vehicle. Okay. Finally, if you want to put it in valet mode using the app, all you do is you jump in the vehicle, make sure you're within range, put your finger on the key, hold it, it will swirl round and then go to yellow. When it goes to yellow, you let go. Got double bleep, that means it's in valet mode, so I can start it up. No bleep, means it's in valet mode, obviously. When I get the van back, put my finger on the key, make sure I'm within range, Bluetooth is on. Wait for it to go green. 2 bleeps out of valet mode, and just to confirm that, main ignition on, disarm melody, start the vehicle. As I said, this is the Starline i96 Pro Connect. Really simple to use, gives you immobilisation and obviously the call alert. If you want to get one of these fitted, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching, bye bye.